Rebecca Hallam. I'm the country director for SNV here in Kenya. And we are here this morning to sign a memorandum of understanding between the county government of Uasin Gishu and SNV to symbolize our collaboration and our partnership and our commitment together for a shared vision towards a sustainably developed county. Thank you. We're mainly targeting the smallholder farmers. We're also targeting small and medium enterprises. We're targeting youth and women-led enterprises. We're working together with county governments on policy development, on an enabling environment.
I appreciate the SNVs' presence in our county. This program has been here for the last 22 years. And as a county, we are seeing there's a lot of activity going on and people are moving to Eldoret City. And for preparedness, we want to take care of food, especially where we need enough supply of food to the city. And this SNV has a good program on empowering the young people and the farmers on how to maximize the production from the land that they have. Again, they have helped us in policy making, so that doesn't just become policy, but at the same time we see how to work better and how to do the best practices in either farming or businesses. And we have a number of youth initiatives that we have in our county, especially the young entrepreneurs. They would wish to benefit from this program, and we are telling SNV, you are welcome and we are ready to work together. Nobody can work alone now. We are looking for partnerships, and the whole world is headed to partnerships. And we saw yesterday, the other day on Nyota program, we want to go that model where we incorporate the youth and we empower the youth. My department, trade, we have set aside some funding. We call it Fanikisha Hustle. So alongside that, together with our partners, it will be able to help our youth to improve their livelihood.
Thank you very much. My name is Libaisi Judith. I work with SNV. It's a global development partner working here in Kenya from 1967. Work together with young people, smallholder farmers, private sector, SMEs, and also civil society organizations. Our goal is to really try to bring in agribusiness. We are also looking at regenerative agriculture, which is a sustainable way of farming for climate resilience, and we are also looking at productive use of renewable energy such as solar, biodigesters, to ensure that we still produce our food sustainably.